Siguro, our greatest motivation in creating our music is yung story ng SB19. Malaking hugot yon, and it's so important to us to be able to share our experiences in life and yung mga hindi namin nasasabi. Kasi we all know that we're all busy doing things. Yan. Wala na kaming time to enjoy ourselves, share yung mga nilalaman ng dibdib namin to some people. Kaya yung sa music namin, doon namin nilalagay. And we're really, really grateful that a lot of people could relate to our stories because nagre-resonate talaga and nakaka-inspire kami ng mga tao na talagang ngayon, yun talaga yung nagiging motivation namin para bumangon every day, to strive harder, na gumawa pa ng maraming music and to improve the quality of everything. And we're just really, really grateful to have 18 with us.